In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Google AdSense account in just 5 minutes. Google AdSense is an incredible tool for anyone looking to monetize their website through advertisements. However, getting your account up and running involves a few crucial steps, including verification. Today, I'll guide you through this process so you can begin earning from your website's traffic without any delays. First things first, navigate to the Google AdSense website. This is your gateway to accessing all things AdSense. If you're new to this, Google AdSense essentially allows you to display ads on your site, and in return, you earn money when visitors interact with these ads. Once you're on the AdSense homepage, your next step is to sign in. Look for the Sign In button and click on it. This will take you to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials. Start with your email address. Type it into the provided field, taking care to avoid any typos that could impede the process. Email is your identifier here, so it's crucial it's entered correctly. After inputting your email, proceed to enter your password. Remember, your password is the key to not just AdSense, but all Google services linked to your account, so keep it secure and never share it with others. If you've forgotten it, now's the time to recover or reset it following Google's recovery process. With your login credentials correctly entered, you'll be taken to the AdSense home dashboard. This is where the magic happens, but before you can start earning, Google needs to verify your account. To kickstart this, locate and click on the verification check option. This step is vital for proceeding further. It's important to note before you can complete your verification, you're required to enter your payment information. This is a crucial step because Google needs to know where to send your earnings. Don't worry, Google uses advanced security measures to ensure your financial information is kept safe. To add your payment information, navigate to the Payments section of your account. Here, you'll see an option to Add Payments Account. Click on this to proceed. You'll then be prompted to fill out your financial details, including account numbers and tax information. Ensure that all information is accurate and matches the name under which you've registered your AdSense account. After successfully entering your payment details, you've essentially completed the major milestones required for verifying your Google AdSense account. It's a straightforward process, but it demands attention to detail. Double check each step and ensure all information entered is accurate to avoid delays in your account verification. A few additional tips to remember: ensure your website complies with Google AdSense policies before applying. Non-compliance is a leading cause of application delays or rejections. Be patient. While AdSense account verification can be quick, sometimes it might take a little longer for Google to review and approve your information. This is normal. Keep an eye on your email. Google will communicate with you about the status of your account, including any steps you need to complete or additional information required. In conclusion, verifying your Google AdSense account is a critical step towards monetizing your website. By following these guidelines carefully, you'll set yourself up for a smoother approval process, unlocking the potential to generate revenue from your site's traffic. So take that step, follow through with the process, and you're well on your way to making your website work for you. Thank you for watching. Remember, patience and careful attention to detail are your best friends in this process. Good luck, and here's to your success with Google AdSense.